Goed, we gaan door met een lied van de Everly Brothers. Bye Bye Love.
Bye-bye love, bye-bye happiness, hello loneliness, I think I'm gonna cry. Bye-bye love, bye-bye sweet caress, hello emptiness, I feel like I could die. Bye-bye my love, goodbye.
That's someone new, he sure looks happy, I'm sure I'm blue. He was my baby till he stepped in. Goodbye to romance that might have been. Bye-bye love,
Bye-bye happiness, hello loneliness, I think I'm gonna cry. Bye-bye love, bye-bye sweet caress, hello emptiness, I feel like I could die. Bye-bye my love, goodbye. Bye-bye love, bye-bye happiness, hello loneliness, I think I'm gonna cry. Bye-bye love, bye-bye sweet caress, hello emptiness, I feel like I could die. Bye-bye my love, goodbye. I'm through with romance, I'm through with love, I'm through with counting the stars above. And here's the reason that I'm so free, my loving baby is through with me. Bye-bye love, bye-bye happiness, hello loneliness, I think I'm gonna cry. Bye-bye love, bye-bye sweet caress, hello emptiness, I feel like I could die. Bye-bye my love, goodbye.
Dames en heren, Bye Bye Love. Ik wil van deze plaats welkom heten de familie Aartsen uit Oosterhout, Brabant. U bent natuurlijk allemaal van harte welkom, maar deze mensen zijn er altijd en ze komen helemaal uit Brabant. Ze blijven enkele uurtjes en daarna gaan ze weer terug. Echte fans. Applaus.